Hello everyone. Today's topic is something that will help you in conversation. Yes, that is habitual topics for conversation, means common topics. The main ingredient for fluency is to talk, and for talking we need some common topics, right? The goal of every English learner is to get the ability to speak with others in English. They want to be fluent in English as they speak their native language. They want to do discussions on daily basis in English. There are some common topics on which everybody is having something to say because everyone is having their life experiences which they want to share with others. It's very important to have something common between two people for good conversation. There are many common topics on which you can have discussions with others, like hobby. Everyone is having some hobbies and they love to talk about it with others and share their experiences. Next is music. This is also a common topic between two persons. Everyone is having their own taste of music and they need somebody to discuss that. Next is food. This is the tastiest topic that everyone loves to talk about and wants to know more about this topic. Next is work. This topic is almost common for all, and they find this topic so important to discuss with. They want to share it with everybody. Next is current situation. This is a hot topic which keeps everybody updated. And the most common thing that is news and the current situation they are in. Like wherever you are, you can talk about it. Like if you are in waiting area, then you can ask how long it will take. If you are at railway station, then you can ask when the train will arrive. You can start the conversation easily by utilizing current scenarios. Now I will discuss some common questions with answers which are normally asked by people, like what's your name? Answer is my name is Samir. Where are you from? I'm from Delhi. Where do you live? I live in Bangalore. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is on April 27th. What do you do? I work in multinational company. What is your religion? I'm Christian. Do you have any siblings? I have two brothers and one sister. Who do you live with? I live with my parents. What time do you get up? I usually get up at 6 a.m. What are your hobbies? I'm interested in playing the guitar. What kind of film do you like? I'm interested in mystery-based movies. Where do you study? I'm a student in DPS. How do you get to school? I usually take the bus. What do you want to do after you graduate? I would like to be a software engineer. How many languages do you speak? I speak 4 languages. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is computer science. What is the weather like? It's raining. Where are you going? I'm going to the store. I need to buy something. Where do you like to go? I would like to go to the zoo. Could you do me a favor? I would be happy to help you. How would you like to pay? I would like to pay by cash. What do you do in your free time? I like reading and relaxing at home. So these are some sentences that you can practice which will help you in answering the common questions very easily. Thank you.